after 2 weeks of getting these phones, iPhone 14 is here, but we like our phones too because there is not much like difference between the iPhone 14 and the 13. So I really like the Sierra blue too, but I got the white one because it goes well with all the cases and it looks aesthetic. So this color is just beautiful. So my sister also unboxed her iPhone 13 in the pink color, and if you haven't watched it, go and watch it. So we'll also make a iOS 16 customization / what's on our iPhone video really soon, so stay tuned for that. Now it's time for me to set my iPhone up. I personally really like this case, so I decided to put this one on, and you guys can see how pretty it looks. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos, and we'll make a what's on our iPhone really soon, so stay tuned for that as well.